Today I share with you my final hours before facing the cruelty of my execution. As I sit here, awaiting my fate, I cannot help but reflect upon the path that led me to this moment. I fought for the freedom of Scotland, for the dignity of our people, and the right to govern ourselves. The English crown sought to suppress our spirit, to strip away our identity, and subject us to their rule. But I could not bear the weight of oppression. I rose, as many did, to resist. Sadly, our struggles were not without sacrifices. Brave men and women fell alongside me, and their memories echo within my heart. We fought with valor, but we faced an adversary whose cruelty knows no bounds. Finally, the chains of captivity bound me. My trial was nothing but a farce, a charade to legitimize their preordained verdict. I was accused of treason, a label they hoped would shatter the dreams of freedom. Today, as I face the ultimate sacrifice, I find solace in the knowledge that my fight was not in vain. The seed of freedom has been planted, and it will continue to grow within the hearts of our people. Let my execution be a symbol of resistance, a spark that ignites the flame of rebellion. To my fellow Scots, I implore you, carry on the struggle. Let no obstacle deter you, for our freedom is worth every drop of blood, every ounce of sacrifice. Remember me, not as a martyr, but as a symbol of unwavering determination.